Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Discord download failed. But that first of all, you have to check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can try accessing other websites or services to confirm that your connection is reliable. If your connection is weak or unstable, you can try switching to a different Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that, make sure you have updated latest version of Discord app installed. Open the App Store. In the search bar, simply search for Discord. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it. And if this button says update, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, head back to your home screen and then open up your settings application. Scroll below, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, scroll below again, search for Discord and then tap onto it. Now simply tap on Upload app, then tap on Upload app again. Uploading the application will remove temporary files without losing your data. And afterward, reinstall the app from the App Store. And after you do all this, simply restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix app-related issues, so turn off your mobile device, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back to refresh the system. If that does not help, all you have to do is simply uninstall the Discord application and then reinstall from the App Store. And with that, you will be able to fix your download failed error in Discord. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.